Good morning, everyone. Let's continue the chapter. We were discussing about the second factor of production, that was labor. Here it is a conversation given between the farmer. You can read it by yourself, and let's continue where we were. Like sometimes laborers get meals also. Wages vary widely from region to region, from crop to crop, also from one farm activity to another, like sowing, harvesting. So there is also a wide variation in the duration of employment. A farm laborer might be employed on a daily basis or for one particular farm activity like harvesting, or as for the whole year. So Dala is a landless laborer, farm laborer, who works on daily wages in Palampur. This means he must regularly look for work. The minimum wages for a farm laborer set by the government is rupees 60 per day, but he gets only 35 to 40. There is a there is a heavy competition for work among the farm laborers in Palampur. So people agreed to work for lower wages. Dala complains about his situation to Ramkali, who is another farm laborer. Dala and Ramkali are among the poorest people in the villages. So now the let's discuss is here. Why are the farm laborers like Dala and Ramkali are poor? You can read the conversation which is given on the previous page, that is between both of them. So Gosipur and Mozali are two villages in the North Bihar. Out of a total of 850 households in the two villages, there are more than 250 who are employed in rural Punjab and Haryana or in Delhi. Mumbai, Surat, Hyderabad, or Nagpur, such migration is common in most villages across India. Why do people migrate? What can be the reason for this? The work that the migrants of Gospur and Gosaipur and Mozali might do at place of destination. So this you can think by yourself. These are the thinking based question. Next topic is the capital needed in farming. So you have already seen that the modern farming methods required a great deal of capital, so that the farmer now needs more money than before. Most small farmers have to borrow money to arrange the capital. They borrow it from the large farmers or the money lenders or the traders who supply various inputs for cultivation. The rate of interest of such loans is very high. They are put to a great distress to repay the loan. Savita is a small farmer. She plans to cultivate wheat on her 1 hectare of land. Besides seeds, she needs fertilizer and pesticides, and for this, she needs cash to buy water and repair her farm instrument. She estimates that the working capital itself would cost a minimum of rupees 3000. She doesn't have the money, so she decided to borrow it from the Tejpal Singh, who is a large farmer. So Tejpal Singh agrees to give Savita the loan at interest rate of 24% for 4 months, so which is a very high interest rate. Now you can say 24% is very high. So Savita also has to promise to work on his field as a farm laborer during the harvest season at rupees 35 per day. As you can tell, the wage is quite you can tell this wage is quite low. Savita knows that she will have to work very hard to complete harvesting on her own field and then work as a farm laborer also for Tejpal Singh. So the harvest time is very busy time. As a mother of 3 children, she has a lot of household responsibility also. But even then, she agrees to do this tough condition or this tough work, and because she knows getting a loan is difficult for a small farmer. So in the contrast to the small farmer, the medium and large farmers have their own savings from farming. There is no need to borrow money for them, so they are thus able to arrange for the capital needed. How do these farmers have their own savings? This you will find the answer in the next section, that how they are having so much money. So now the story so far. Here the story is given, like we have read about the 3 factors of production: land, labor and capital, and how they are used in farming. Let us fill in the blanks given below. Among 3 factors of production, we found that the labor is the most evident factor of production. There are many people who are willing to work as farm laborers in the villages, whereas the opportunities of works are limited. They belong to either landless family or dash. Now you have to fill this blanks according to your understanding what you have read in the lesson. So this is the story so far. The blanks, almost blanks are there. So sale of surplus from products, this we will do later. Firstly you just do this pages and just complete this blanks, and next we will start later.